Hello students, now again we are going to solve new topic, that is saving our database. Okay, by default also the saved database, but if we want to change the table name or database name, then you can do. Okay, so in this, first of all you can open the Access, and after that you can see in the top title bar and in the quick access toolbar there is a save option. Okay, if we click on the save option, so save as dialog box will appear, and in the save as dialog box there is a table name. The by default the table name is table 1, and you can suppose that I want to write as a students details, right? I want to create a table and that table name is a student details, so type the name of the table. Okay, and after that I'll click on the OK, and now you can see the table name will appear in the navigation pane in the left side. Okay, and because this is a section, this area display the information of this table, but the navigation area display the name of the table, name of the queries, name of the forms, and name of the reports. So this area is a navigation pane, and this area you can see the name of the table, this is a students detail. Okay, now we are going to solve and do the new topic is closing a database. After completing all the if you want to close the database, then click on the office button. Okay, office button, or you can click on the file option and there is a close option button. Okay, so this is a process to close the database. Or okay, click on the file option, file tab, and now click on the close tab. Now you can see here the table or database has been closed, means there is no student details, there is no teachers detail, there is no any table, there is no navigation pane, or we have only the package. Okay, so this is a process to close a database. Now we have a new topic is existing MS Access. After completing your all the work, if you want to close the package, right? So what we'll do, you have a very simple two option you have. Okay, the first is we have a close button at the title bar, the right side you can see at the top. Okay, or this option is not available in this. Okay, so what we'll do, only we'll click on the close button, right? So this is the process to close your database file, database and application package MS Access.